Harnissa Wazirli, and I work as a finance trainer and a content developer at Kaplan Professional Middle East. One of the assessment criteria for OBU is evaluation of information, analysis, and conclusion. And in relation to this, one of the biggest reasons why students fail academic writing is due to the lack of critical analysis. What do we mean by critical analysis? Critical analysis is the ability to take a step back and look at your findings from an objective view. You not only introduce academic articles to back up your claims, but also consider the opposing point of view. And based on these points, you present your conclusion. One thing that helps is the phrase, "So what? How does this impact my business?" Let's take a very simple example. Your financial evaluation shows that your chosen business has recently obtained a large loan. Now let's analyze that. How does this loan impact my business? For starters, it will increase my company's gearing, leading to an increased financial risk, which is bad. However, on the other hand, debt is cheaper than equity as it brings in tax shield and is easier to obtain, which is good. Therefore, based on my above analysis, I can conclude that the decision of obtaining the loan was good for my business. This is critical analysis, and it is one of the key elements that students need to do well in academic writing, and I hope that this helps you with your academic writing.